Assalamualaikum student of class 8. This is your computer class. Today our chapter is managing database. First I show you the access process. What is access? Access is a database management software. Go to the all programs and go to the Microsoft Access or select the blank database and create a database. Database name is Dhaka and create. This is the window of MS Access. Select the fields. We are going to make a 3 fields database. Teacher designation database. Name, select the first field. Job title, select the second field, and mobile phones. Fill the data. Job title, phone number, select the second record, designation, phone number, we have 2 records in this database. The database name is Dhaka. In the database we have a one table. We have 2 records in this database. One type of information is stored in a field. Data enter in a set of field. We have one table, means one field. The database name is Dhaka. The table is made up of row and columns. Now we are going to move on the slide. Today we have the topic of what is database. Maintain some advantage of using database. Define the following: field, record and table. What is DBMS? Write down the process of MS Access. Define the Access window component. What is database? A database refers to a collection of interrelated data. A telephone directory is one example of a database that contains name, address and phone number of people living in a particular area. Advantages: database reduce the data redundancy to a large extent. Database can control data inconsistency or to a large extent. Database facilitate of sharing of data. Database help to enforce standard. Database can ensure data security. Field, record and table. I already show the field, record and table in a database. A place where one type of information is stored is called a field. For example, a table containing information about a student in a class, like their roll number, name, age and phone number, will have all the names stored in one field. age of its student is in another field, and so on. Each field is identified by a unique field name. Record. Record enter in a set of fields which are related to a particular item, say a person or thing, from a record. Table. Many records together are arranged in a tabular structure to make a table. A table is made up of row and column, each of them having a unique name. DBMS. DBMS software allows you to store a organized collection of data on one or more related subjects. Some example is FoxPro, Database 3 Plus, Oracle, and Microsoft Access. Process of MS Access. To start MS Excel, follow the step given below. Open the Start menu by clicking on the Start button. Open the All Program menu by clicking on Program. Click on the Microsoft Access. In the Program menu, Window Component, Title Bar, Menu Bar, Taskbar. What we learn in this class? What is database? Mention some advantage of using database. Define the following: field, record, and table. What is DBMS? Write down the process of MS Access. Define the Access window component. Thank you.